Acá andamos batallando de este lado, cumplí el sueño americano y no crean que está tan pelado como me la habían contado. Voy de la casa al trabajo.
And that's why you should hire a professional roofing contractor. Today, I'm here just to talk to you about impact-rated shingles. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and a lot of homeowners we're finding when we come inspect their roofs, they tell us, hey, I have an impact-rated shingle, it should be fine. And what we're finding is they actually don't have an impact-rated shingle. Underwriter Laboratories does testing on shingles and products. They get that certification or that class, which is called Class 4 impact-rated. And that means it's going to handle 2-inch hail, which is a little bigger than a golf ball. And that's going to help your roof last longer through all these hailstorms, but also get you an insurance discount, which for a lot of people might be over $1,000 a year. And right now we are doing a complimentary upgrade to Class 4. And so reach out to us. If you're not sure you have a Class 4 or impact rated roof or what kind of shingle you have, we can actually do an inspection and find out. So reach out to us. We'll do a free evaluation of your roof, of your home.